Hindi ito biro na aligasyon lang.
Bank accounts na sinasabi ko na naglalaman ng mahigit 2 bilyong piso ang bank accounts ni Sara Duterte at ni Mans Carpio, mag-asawa.
Paano nyo alam yun?
Pagka lumabas yan, ha?
Paano nyo alam yung bank account?
Oh, bank
Eh,
secrecy,
diba,
sir.
in 2016 ko pa ho nilalabas yan.
Ah,
In 2016, the Anti-Money Laundering Council issued a public statement which denies that we are the source of the documents or information shown by Senator Trillanes.
In other words, AMLAC denied that the documents presented by the former Senator Trillanes did not originate from your office.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, earlier din, when AMLAC was here, AMLAC said that the documents did not come from them. Yung pinesent mong bank documents. But in earlier public pronouncements that were also made or also linked to you, you also said that it was AMLAC who gave you access to these documents.
No, wala po akong sinabing gano'n, Mr. Chairman. Kasi that would be illegal. No? That would be illegal.
Aray ko!